Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below if you want to grab that. In this video, I am reviewing the Asia Sweep EA, and to confirm right away, this is an MT5 only expert advisor. On the marketplace, it is rental only, no outright purchase option. Okay, as you can see, it is priced at $100 for 1 month, $300 for 3 months, $600 for 6 months, or $1,000 for a full year, which the listing says saves you about 18% versus paying monthly. It is developed by Abdelhadi Ribani, currently on version 4.0, updated on the 28th of June 2026. Now, one thing the listing states clearly upfront is that this is described by the developer as a low win rate, high risk to reward system. Now, that's worth keeping in mind before we get into the mechanics, since it is, it helps to set expectations differently than a high win rate system would. Looking at how the strategy is described, it is built around a specific sequence. First, the EA maps out the Asian session, the session's high and low to define a liquidity range. Okay, then it waits for a liquidity sweep, price pushing past that range and failing, essentially a false breakout. After that, it looks for a break of structure, a shift confirming which direction the market actually wants to go, and only then does it consider an entry. So the full sequence is Asian range, sweep, break of structure, then execution. The listing also mentions fixed stop loss and take profit functionality, optional break-even management, and states there is no martingale, no grid, and no cost averaging involved. Recommended settings on the page point to the M1 time frame. The M1 time frame with the Asian session defined as 3 to 10 UTC and London session 10 to 15 UTC. Now let us get into the historical testing. All right. But before that, let's briefly look at the report provided here. It says a fixed 8.5 years real market tick data backtest on NAS 100 2018 to 2026. Here, the net profit was $182,758.41. We had about 21.77% win rate, which aligns with the low win rate technique that was mentioned on the listing on the marketplace page. All right, and then here the balance curve looks like it was kind of experiencing a slow growth, significant pullback, rise again, pullback, and so on. But overall, it was a steady growth over time. Let's just jump over to our strategy tester. Okay, I ran this backtest on the US 100 index. Okay, I use the M1 time frame as recommended over the past about close to 7 months, from the beginning of the year 2026 till about 20th July 2026. Okay, so here's what came back: 0 completed trades over the entire test period. All right, no net profit, no drawdown, nothing to measure in terms of win rate or profit factor, because nothing actually closed. All right, now I do have a bit of extra context here from the platform journal log during part of this window. So looking at it, the engine was clearly active. All right, you can see this is the BOS level, this is the BOS level, and so on, market buy, and so on. So the engine was active and doing what it's supposed to do. I see it flagging the Asian session highs and lows, logging swept lows and confirming break of structure correctly, time stamped and labeled exactly as the strategy description outlines. But on at least, on a couple of confirmed setups, the actual order was rejected by the platform with an invalid stops error. So we can see that part of the reason, if not the main reason or the only reason why trades were not executed, is that the order seems to have been failed market by invalid stops, right? So those invalid stops were probably hindering the trades from being executed. Okay, so that is an important distinction. This isn't necessarily a flaw in the sweep and structure logic itself. The detection appears to be functioning as described. It looks more like a stop loss or take profit distance issue relative to what the broker or symbol allows. And meanwhile, I also tried backtesting on another broker. You can see this was FBS. So I tried backtesting on another broker and I still got no trade. You see, this is a different broker, HFM. And then coming to the journal, I can still see invalid stops, invalid stops. So I don't know, maybe the issue might be from the settings of the expert advisor, because I have tried backtesting it on two different brokers and I'm still getting similar results. All right. So, like I said, it looks like a stop loss or take profit distance issue. Okay. Now that is something worth testing across different brokers and adjusting stop distances for, rather than something I can draw conclusions about the underlying strategy from. Now, because there is no completed trade history here, I genuinely can't speak to this EA's profitability, drawdown behavior, or win rate. Okay, there is simply nothing to measure yet. What I'll recommend is testing this on different brokers. Maybe two brokers are not enough. All right, or if there is a way to adjust the stop and take profit distances to see if the execution issue resolves. I think this is what contacting the developer for. If you are interested in this expert advisor, maybe you can contact the developer for more information, because I checked the inputs as well and I can see that there don't seem to be a okay, this says use fixed SL through fixed SL points. All right, perhaps if these values are modified, you can try modifying the input values to know if you're going to get a different result. All right, this expert advisor may appeal to traders interested in a structural liquidity based approach on index CFDs. Okay, but until it can complete trades in testing, there is no historical performance to base a decision on. All right, apart from the one that we can see provided here on the MQL5 marketplace page. But like I said, if you want to really make use of this EA, you can just try contacting the developer for more clarifications. Okay, test it yourself and confirm execution compatibility with your broker before considering any financial commitment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.